Hey everyone, welcome back to AI for Everyone, and today I'm sharing a game changer for your projects, Leonardo AI. This AI art tool helps me generate stunning visuals in minutes. Let's walk through how to use it for your next masterpiece. First, head to Leonardo AI and sign up. Click Create an account. You'll start with 150 free tokens daily, perfect for beginners. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Let's create some art. Click Image Generation on the left. At the top, type your prompt. I'll go with cyberpunk cityscape at night, neon lights in a painterly style. Choose a model like Leonardo lighting for versatility and tweak settings like aspect ratio. I'll pick 16 by 9 for a wide view. You can also choose different styles for your image. In my case, I will choose a cinematic. Scroll down, you can see some advanced settings. You can add some negative prompts, very more accurate visuals. Once you think that is good enough, hit Generate. It uses about 10 tokens and creates 4 versions. See, those pictures generated are in high accuracy. For the higher quality image, you need to subscribe for the tools. Check your picture and pick your favorite image. Once you're happy, click Download. That's it. Leonardo AI is a powerful image generating tool. Try it at app.leonardo.ai. It's free to start, and the possibilities are endless. What will you create? Share your AI art below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.